Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications, and let's just get into it. I already applied my sunscreen, so now I'm just going to use the Hourglass foundation stick as my concealer. So just put it under my eye, my nose bridge, and my chin, and on my forehead as well. Right here, and on my dark spots right here. Okay, that's all. I'm not gonna put a whole lot just because fresh spring makeup, I want it to be lighter. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit to fill in my eyebrows. Brush them out first. Eyebrows take the longest time out of this entire makeup. Brows are done. I'm going to use Burt's Bees blush in the color Bare Peach as my blush and eyeshadows. Just tapping it on. For my waterline as well. Okay. And then as my blush, a little bit on my nose bridge. Next, I'm going to bronze my face. This is Physicians Formula's Bronze Booster. I'm not going to apply a whole lot because for this look, I want my focus to be on my cheeks and my eyeshadows. So just a little, less is more. As always, I'm going to bronze my nose bridge. Okay. And then I'm going to use Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. I don't want to use my back cup because that's too strong, and for this look, I want it to be more natural. I'm going to apply on my cheekbones, forehead, and nose bridge. Chin, Cupid's bow. So shiny. I'm going to use my finger and press it on to my eyeshadow, but just the middle. Just the middle. To make my eye pop a little, and my inner corner. And a little bit right here. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to spray my setting spray. This is from Makeup Forever. Mist and Fix. This is what I always use. Pat it in just because I wanted to dry it faster. And to curl my eyelashes. For my mascara, I'm using MAC's Extended Play Lash, my favorite. Turn my brightness down a little. Okay, mascara's done. For my lipstick, I'm using MAC's CB96. This is such a weird name for it. So pretty. It's like a metallic shiny orange-ish color. Alright guys, so this is the look. I fixed my bangs a little bit and put my hair up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it really easy and simple. Less than 5 minutes for sure. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye! Who's my baby Bershie? You're my baby Bershie.